लास्ट मैंने आपको 3D दिया था, उसके बाद C दिया था, आज मैं आपको 3S दे दूं। Every superhero needs to keep this 3S with him. S. And those S start with self. Trust, self-discipline, self-love. If you're not keeping these 3S with you guys, you won't be a superhero. You have to trust yourself. Whatever the world is saying against you, whatever the society is saying against you, whatever your family is saying to you, in regard of your dream, aim, goal, everything, always trust yourself. Whosoever is your superhero in your copy or diaries or notebook, he had trusted himself. My guru, my mentor, Mr. Pankaj Senghat trusted himself, own self, that yes, I can stand this iGurukul company in Gwalior also, in every city of this country. I keep the trust inside me that yes, I have the capability or ability to become a good trainer or a good person, a good life coach. That's why he became. Always keep the self-trust. My dear friend, literally don't allow anyone in this world to tell you that you can't do anything. In हिंदी, इस दुनिया में किसी को ये अधिकार मत दो कि वो तुम्हारे सामने खड़े होकर ये कहे कि तुम ये नहीं कर सकते, चाहे वो आपका पिता क्यों ना हो. आई रिपीट माई सेल्फ, चाहे वो आपका पिता क्यों ना हो, बिकॉज हिज फादर ऑल्सो स्टॉप्ड हिम टू बिकम अ गौतम बुद्ध. His father also stopped him to become Swami Vivekananda, but they became. Even Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar's father didn't know how to play cricket, but he became a great player. Even Michael Jordan's father didn't know how to play basketball, but he played and he became one of the greatest basketball player. Even Ronaldo, his father said that football will not give you a single penny. But now you can see he's one of the richest and the best footballer of this world. Every person who has become something in their life, they have self-trust. So keep the self-trust inside yourself. In your character, in your armor, in your suit, wherever you can keep the self-trust. Whatever goal you have made for yourself, either it is big, small, bigger or the biggest, always keep self-trust. If you have keep 5, 50 for yourself, keep the trust. Even if I will alive for 80 years, I will keep this trust to 79 years, 11 months, 29 days, that yes, the 30th will be the day when I will achieve 550. अगर 80 साल तक जिया और 79 साल 11 महीने 29 दिन तक वो लक्ष्य पूरा नहीं हुआ ना, तब भी उसी उम्मीद में सोऊंगा कि जो आखिरी दिन है उस दिन वो अचीव हो जाएगा. Keep the trust. Don't allow somebody to break your glass, man. Don't allow somebody to tell you that what you can and what you can't. It is only you who has to decide whether you want to do, not to do, or you're willing to do or not willing to do. Keep the self-trust. Why we ask to somebody, why you come up to me and say, Rana sir, can I be a trainer? Ask to yourself, do you want to be a trainer? If yes, come, I can make you a trainer. You just ask the simple question, can you make me a trainer? This is a question that you need to ask. Then I will tell you whether I am capable enough or not, or should I refer you to the Pankaj sir directly, or should I refer to PD sir directly. That will I decide. But your question must not be this, whether I will be able to. Who am I to tell you that you are able to or not? I am not God. I have not written your future, your destiny. You can become anything and everything. It only depends on your trust. How much trust you have got on your own self. It was my self-trust that yes, one day we will rock in the city Gwalior. This is the reason. You have to keep self-trust, man. You have to keep self-trust. I and Pramod were only 2 when we started this center, along with Pankaj sir's blessing. Now we are many, and we are growing in many. Why? Because we have got the self-trust. If you're not keeping the self-trust along with you, you won't be able to even push our stone. Because the journey of 1,000 miles starts with a single step, and that single step only starts with the self-trust. That I can do this. The next thing, self-discipline. All you require is discipline. The consistency that you are putting in your work, that will bring the success to you. That will make you the superhero. You have to be disciplined in your own self. Discipline is not for others. Okay, I am coming for time because Rana sir has given me the time. Okay, I am doing this because my trainer has said to me. Okay, I am doing this because my father has said to me. No. Do the work because you wanted to do it. Come on time because you wanted to develop a character of coming on time. Speak good because you wanted to speak good. don't speak, don't do, don't react, don't respond under the observation or under the pressure of somebody or under the rules and regulation. Do by your own self-discipline. And self-discipline can be learned by the soldiers only. They do because they believe they have to do. And a soldier is never off duty, isn't it? Whether they are at the home or at the border, they always perform the self-discipline. Getting? You need to be self-disciplined if you really wanted to achieve anything. The second S, forget everything. Forget what I have taught you. Forget everything what I have discussed with you. Remember, self-trust, and then remain the self-discipline. Whatever the repetition of actions you are doing in your life, that will make you a hero, zero, or a superhero. And the third, self-love. Love yourself, man. Love yourself. Whatsoever you are, whosoever you are, howsoever you are, love yourself. Say I love you to your own self. Whatever I am today, I must feel proud over myself because I was only responsible for this. Neither my father nor my mother compelled me to wear this suit and speak in such energy in front of me. It was only my choice, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
And if it is my choice, why I should hate my choice? I should love my choice. Whatever words I am speaking from my mouth, it is my choice. And it is my choice, I should love myself. What people do, they contemn their own self. They say bad word about their own self. They say, I can't do this, I'm that, I'm bad, I have a hell lot of wrong things. Why? Why don't you appreciate the good things? Focus on the good things. Because a man is a combination of good and bad. And if you have the combination of good and bad, increase the possibility of good. Automatically the bad will be demonized. Isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Love yourself. Before saying I love you to somebody else, say to own self in the mirror, I love this gentleman who is looking in the mirror. Wake up every day, speak to yourself, whatever possibilities I have got, whatever family I have got, whatever situation I have got, I love myself. Because my dear friends, there are so many people who don't have family. There are so many people who don't have opportunities. So you need to love yourself. Keep these 3 S along with you. Self-trust, self-discipline and self-love. Because if you're not loving yourself, if you're not trusting yourself, if you're not disciplined in your actions, you won't be a superhero. Neither for your own life, nor for others. Don't try to be the hero of others' life. What I said in the beginning. Be the hero of yourself. Because you are the responsibility of your own self, not of others. Getting?